Lester John A. Nova. Lester commands the stage in a magnificent ball gown designed by O.D. Bunagan with flawless hair and makeup done by Lester themselves. Inspired by the regal queens across history, the gown, adorned with floral accents and sparkling rhinestones, fabulously celebrates elegance and sophistication. The art, a floral masterpiece in various pink hues, enhances this vision of timeless charm and grace. Lester's message is simple yet profound. Beauty transcends boundaries and self-expression is a right for all. Ladies and gentlemen, Lester John A. Nova.
You are still in the running. Queen number 7. Lester John Nova. The first spot on our top 10 is Queen number 7. Ako ay malaya. Dahil may kakayahan akong tumili, mangarap, kumilos para sa aking sarili at sa kinukuti ng aking pagkakas. Bilang isang kabataan ng Barangay Kalayaan, pinanghahawakan ko ang aking karapatan, hindi lang bilang isang responsibilidad upang maging boses ng pag-asa, simbolo ng lakas at ilaw ng pagbabago. Ang tunay na kalayaan ay hindi lang basta ginagawa ang gusto, kundi ang pagpili ng tama kahit mahirap. At bilang isang reyna ng Barangay Kalayaan, dala ko ang diwang matatag, pusong makabayan at pangarap na mas maunlad, mas mapayapa, at mas makatarungang lipunan para sa lahat. This is Lester Johnny Nova, your queen of Barangay Kalayaan.